In today's video, I'm gonna guide you in adding notes to Instagram Reels. So let's get started. So now I'm just gonna get straight to the point in here. Instagram is ditching the ability to add notes on feed posts and Reels because it's citing low usage and app clutter. But on the old times is that you can just click here or tap here on the share button on the Reels. And from here, you should have the add notes section or button right here so that you'd be able to add it into note. And then you also have this option when you tap here on your profile icon at the bottom right and tap on the three horizontal bars on the top right, you can go into sharing and mixes or reuses right here. So this one, tap on it. And from here, you want to enable the notes on post and reels option right here. And yeah, just enable that so that people would be able to add notes to your content. But yeah, the problem here is Instagram is actually removing the a feature to add the notes on Reels as part of a broader effort to avoid overloading the app with too many features, as what they have said when I researched for it when I couldn't find the note feature here anymore. So unfortunately, we can't do it anymore as of now unless Instagram brings it back with the update. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.